Install heating column and help arm. Connect power supply and air supply. Install central oil. Aim it to the turntable center. Then lock it. Press tile with bead brakes to the side at rim's smallest diameter. Move lock arm away from turntable. Open column to a position larger than rim diameter. Press steel rim with center oil. Step pedal twice, raise center column and lock steel rim tightly. Lock the mounting head. Adjust pressing nut to fix lock. Keep a distance of 2 to 3 mm between the mounting head from the rim. Press tile under the mounting head. Rotate the turntable separate rim and tile. Lubricate rim and tile. Insert lever into tile. Move pressing disc opposite to mounting head. Press tile and raise tile with lever. Rotate turntable, demount tile. Raise tile with pressing disc to steel rim's smallest diameter. Then demount low side. Lubricate rim and tile. Press tile under the mounting head. Pull pressing disc and make turntable rotate together. Press tile to steel rim's smallest diameter with pressing disc, then install. Inflate tile fully.